What's up YouTube, this is Jason here, and today I have the BoYata laptop stand, and I'm going to unbox it and kind of give you my first impressions, and cue the intro. Alright guys, so let's get this, wait, first of all, before I crack it open, it is an adjustable laptop stand with multi-angles and heat vent for elevated laptop. Yeah, it'll support up to 11 to 17 inches, and it can be adjusted in all different kind of positions and postures and everything. And get on into it. Crack that bad boy open. Oh, I would like it. Get a little VIP card. All right, break her open. Ooh, very nice. And sturdy feeling. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. It's that, ooh, that aluminium. Ah, my wife hates when I call it that. Ooh, and it's got like, you need some muscle on that to hold it open. Let me open this up. Let me use the existing muscles. Okay, there we go. That is a nice little stand. I like it. There we go. Oh man, this thing is extra sturdy. Look at this. You gotta put some muscle into this thing. So, got my Mac, old Mac, trusted and faithful. And it's nice. Like you can put it in all kind of different angles. Open it up, bring it closer so you guys can see that. Man, this is really nice. Really nice and stable. And actually, I had already opened this and played with it for a little bit. It's actually the one I use on my desk now. But yeah, because I keep it in a lower position so I can easily go ahead and just type and see what's going on. Man. I had put it over on the side, so I didn't really have much time to play with it, but it's got the nice little feet. These feet are not going anywhere. Like I put it on here, you try to like move it, it's not sliding anywhere. And the ones right here, the laptop is in place. Lock it down, look at that. Not going anywhere, shaking or moving anywhere. Looks nice. It goes really good with the metal color. Really, really good. Man, but I mean, I'll tell you, these hinges are ridiculous. Like it's, I mean, this thing ain't losing any kind of strength on it. I mean, you want to put it up a little higher, get you like a little keyboard and put it right here, and have your computer here. That way you're still not using it, and you know, bang bang. I think it's good even with an iPad or any kind of laptop to go on there. But again, like I said, it goes from 11 to 17 inch, so you don't want to get anything bigger. Which is there bigger than 17 inch? I'm not sure, but. You know, but I just wanted to jump in, guys, real quick and show you the stand. The stand is absolutely amazing, and if you need something like this on your desk to kind of get your laptop out of the way, and like it says, it has this huge heat vent right here. Let me get it low. Huge heat vent right here, so you are good to go with the heat distribution. And you know, I have an older Mac, so of course they get hot. I'm running some software on an older Mac that probably shouldn't really be running on an older Mac because it just takes, you know, a lot of the CPU power. But so it gets warm, and with this, it just dissipates it, and it's actually a lot better than when I just had it on my desk or whatever. So, you know, that's a plus too. Again, you have the little pads right here to protect your laptop or your iPad or whatever. So, you know, we're not trying to get any scratches here and everything. We're hashtag no scratches, please. All right, so. And again, these hinges are ridiculous. I'm gonna keep on talking about these hinges because it's just absolutely ridiculous how much it, like, I mean, anybody can get them open. I'm not saying that you need to have like two guys come over here and open it up, you know, any kind of person, you know, as long as you got some muscles, you can get it, but it is a little strong. I mean, I'm like, you know, give me a little pushback, but you know, I think it's still really good. So this thing can also, it's 20 pounds. That's the maximum weight it's going to be able to take. So just make sure you don't have, I don't know what laptop is going to be weighing 20 pounds. Even gaming laptops, you know, I'm like, damn, 20 pounds. But this one is really good, really solid made. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but BoYata actually sent this to me. And the crazy thing is I had one of these already. So now for my Mac, I put it on one. And on the other side, I have a setup where I have my PC. So my Mac and my PC, different sides, all to the same monitor, and I can just switch back and forth. But now it's kind of cool because, you know, I like the symmetric look and everything. But I think this is really, if you're in the market for a laptop stand, this is it. This is it. Inexpensive, and you know, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. You know, it's on Amazon. It's inexpensive. You're not gonna have to, you know, worry about the build quality, because my goodness, this build quality is amazing. You know, you definitely don't have to worry about that. And I just think it's gonna last you for a while. My other one, I've had that for almost a year, I guess, and it's the hinges just don't loosen. They don't loosen up. So I mean, I'm guessing if you're sitting there just going at them constantly, then maybe they will. But if you leave it in the position it's in, it's going to stay. And that is a big thing, because I have a gamer chair, and after a while, the little hydraulic in it started to mess up. So after a while, once you're like there a couple hours, the chair starts to go down a little bit, and that's super irritating, you know. But these haven't lost anything. I mean, so all right, guys. If you found value in this video, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I'm dropping, and a lot are coming. You can also click the like. Just go ahead and like this video, and check out my social media. You know, I'm gonna pop up a little thing on there, and it's RedBeeLabs at almost every social media. So just check us out. We're posting different content on there, some behind the scenes stuff. And as always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.